Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to repair your Office on your Windows 11 computer. Now for this, open Start menu and then go to Settings and then go to Apps, go to Install Apps and find your Office. So scroll down and look for your Office over here. So in my case here you can see the Office. So whichever is your Office program, click on these three dots over here and then click on modify option and then click on yes to allow. Now before you go for repair, save all your work, your Word file, Excel file, everything, you save it. And then if you want to perform quick repair, select quick repair. This will, here you can see, fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. So click on repair over here and then click on repair once again and save your work before continuing. So in my case it is already saved, so make sure that you save all your work and let the repair complete. This process will take some time. Now once done, here you can see done repairing and you can close this and you can start using your Office application. Now if you want to go for online repair, click on these three dots and then click on modify, click on yes to allow, and then here you can see online repair. Read this, fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if still having problems after quick repair. So this may reinstall your Office. So if you agree, click on repair and read this. We will download files to repair your installation. This may take some time and requires an internet connection. If you are on metered connection, this may charge extra. Please keep this in mind when getting online content. So click on repair and this process will take some time, so let the repair complete. Now over here you can see it's actually reinstalling Office, so let the reinstall complete. Now once done, over here you can see you are all set. Now you can start using Office. So this is how you can repair Office on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.